Welcome. Now I am going to discuss the program for the conditional marks of a student. Here the marks the student must score must be within the range 0 to 100. If the student scores less than 50, then he must be failed. If the student scores within the range 50 to 60, then he must have the grade D. If he scores 60 to 70 range, then the grade is C. And the range between 70 and 80, then the grade is B. And the student scores the 80 and 90 range, then he is having the grade of A. And if he scores more than the 90 marks, then he is having the grade of A plus. By using this assumption, we wrote the program. As we know that the execution of a program starts from the main function. Here the local variable which I am using is marks, since the marks must be an integer data type, that is the whole number it is going to accept. Next statement is a printf, whatever the thing which I am writing within the double quotes, the same thing which we are going to display on the output screen. Here I wrote enter your marks. Next statement is a scanf, which is used for the purpose of reading the values from the keyboard. Since I am reading the value of marks, the marks is an integer data type, so the format specifier is %D. Next we start with those conditions, that is if. By using the conditional statement, marks if it is less than 0, or the marks if it is more than 100, then it is a wrong entry. Or else we are going to write these conditions. That is, first, if marks less than 50, then I am going to print it is the grade of fail. Else, if the marks which is within the range of 50 to 60, that is marks greater than or equal to 50, and marks less than 60, then printing the grade as D. Else, if the marks is greater than or equal to 60 and the marks less than 70, within the range of 60 to 70, then the grade is C. Or else, if the marks is greater than or equal to 70 and the marks less than 80, then the grade is B. Else, if marks is greater than or equal to 80 and the marks less than 90, then he is having the grade of A. If both those conditions which I mentioned earlier doesn't hold good, then I am going to execute the last else part, the printf grade A plus. If he scores more than the 90 marks, that is grade A plus. Thank you.